Are you struggling to maintain a healthy work-life balance in today's fast-paced environment? Do you want to enhance your workplace skills and adapt to the ever-evolving job market? Or are you looking to boost your computer literacy and presentation skills for better career prospects? Welcome to Mastering Working Life Skills training. In this training, we delve into essential areas such as work-life balance, effective communication, and stress management to help you thrive both personally and professionally. This training covers everything from developing better work-life balance strategies to enhancing workplace communication skills and mastering stress management techniques. The best part? Our hands-on course project bridges theory and practice, empowering you to launch and succeed in any industry. Our learning environment is tailored to provide personalized support to each and every student. Our dedicated team of educators and tutors is just a click away, ensuring you get the guidance you need to excel in your studies. Are you prepared to level up your skills? Book a free consulting meeting with our knowledgeable experts and explore the best path for your growth.